So I'm looking here at Lakach, and I did a morphology search for every time it occurs in the infinitive. And obviously I'm familiar with in the imperfect, Lakach tends to look similar to the one yod vav. In fact, let me just do that here. So here we can see, or not one yod vav, sorry, that's the infinitive. Here, Lakach tends to look like a one noon, where you've got the dagesh in R2 and all the way through here, so through these different forms. Doesn't look like it happens here, but that dagesh, again, the way that it was kind of described to me, and the way that I've sometimes described it to students just to help them recognize the form better, is that Lakach sort of gets adopted into the one noon family. And so that's what you see going on here is the form ends up it ends up conjugating. The morphology is similar with the dagesh in R2 and the missing R1 letter, similar to the one noon family. Well, when I did the search for the infinitives, it looks to me like what's happening here is you get the same formation in the infinitive that you would get for the one yod vavs, which is the R1 vowel drops off, and then you've got this segelet pattern with a tav on the end of the infinitive. So ordinarily we'd see it as segel, segel, tav, but obviously the chet here is influencing the A-class vowel. But that's what I was noticing, I thought this was peculiar, that it's almost like it switches families, so to speak. So I didn't know if you knew of any explanation for what's going on here or any resources that might discuss it. But I thought it was interesting. Let me know what you think.